In this video, we will cover the variety of methods available to you and your team to get your data into Mixpanel. Before we explore the available methods, it is important to note that there is no right or wrong answer when it comes to collecting data. The implementation method you utilize may change over the course of your company's lifecycle, and each method will have its own set of pros and cons. Your initial implementation choice will depend on a number of factors, such as available dev resources, existing infrastructure, and the type of data your team is trying to collect. Mixpanel can work with numerous ingestion models, such as tracking data to Mixpanel via our SDKs, a third-party customer data platform, also known as a CDP, an in-house pipeline event stream that your team already uses for event streaming, or collecting data in your own data warehouse and then reverse ETLing that data into Mixpanel for analysis. Analytics, however, is only as good as the data that is being provided. It is important to choose an ingestion method that is trustworthy, comprehensive, and is scalable with the growth of your organization at all points of your company's lifecycle. Some questions you may want to consider when choosing an ingestion method are: does your company already have source of truth data that you use for reporting? Do you already have an event stream, customer data platform, or reverse ETL tool set up? Do you have any clickstream data? Are you already collecting that clickstream data? And if not, do you have the ability to collect that clickstream data? And what available dev resources does your team have to implement a CDP, event stream, or data warehouse type implementation, or even an SDK type implementation? This decision flowchart is a great resource to help you and your team logically narrow down your ingestion options. You can pause the video here if you'd like to navigate the flowchart. We'll cover the pros and cons of each of these implementation methods in the following videos, but our recommendation from years of experience working with our own customers is, if possible, always utilize your own source of truth data for analysis in Mixpanel. Analyzing data that you can trust from the get-go is a cornerstone of building a reliable long-term analytics strategy. If you have any questions on choosing an ingestion method, check out our docs, leave a comment, or join our Slack community. Thanks for watching.